Say goodbye to the student housing hunt blues and hello Sterling Jefferson Berkeley Student Accommodation, the answer to every student's dream home. Discover a range of thoughtfully designed 1- and 2-bedroom apartments where you'll have everything you need and more. From spacious private bedroom adorned with comfortable beds, ample closets, and bedside tables for those late-night study sessions, to fully equipped kitchens boasting dishwashers for added convenience, Sterling Jefferson Berkeley has left no stone unturned in ensuring your comfort. But it's not just about the rooms, it's about the experience. Enjoy landscaped outdoor courtyards, secure bike storage, and the convenience of on-site package lockers. Plus, the property is pet-friendly too, because your furry study buddies deserve a home too. Nestled within a stone's throw from the University of California and a short distance from Golden Gate University, Sterling Jefferson Berkeley is not just student housing, it's a gateway to vibrant city life. With a prime location, endless amenities, and a city bursting with cafes, pubs, and scenic spots, Sterling Jefferson Berkeley is here to turn your stay into a lifestyle upgrade experience. Whether you're exploring Berkeley's cozy cafes, immersing yourself in the vibrant nightlife at Rudy's Pub and Grill, or soaking in the natural beauty of Tilden Regional Park, every day is an adventure waiting to unfold. So pack your bags and embark on the journey to your dream home today. Visit amberstudent.com to discover more and secure your slice of Berkeley bliss.